Grand Rising family. I pray all is well with you all. I miss you all. Yeah, I just wanted to come back again today and encourage you with some good words. Hallelujah, because why I love you. And I missed you guys. But, we have to do everything in the Most High's timing. And I just want to encourage you into trusting in the Most High's timing. We often forget that He's not in a hurry. We are. It's why we are tired. It's why we are anxious. It's why we are frustrated, stressed, and disappointed. So today, I want to encourage you to be reminded that our Father is doing something. He is moving. He is fighting for you. Our Father is working in your life right now in ways you cannot even understand. Continue to just trust in Him in His good timing and obey His will and worship Him in obedience. Whatever you may be walking into, our Father has already stepped in it and is preparing you for the way. Hallelujah. Stay encouraged. I love you guys. Thank you.